A good daily routine helps you do more. It sets the tone for your entire day, giving you a sense of purpose and direction. When you start your day with a clear plan, you are more likely to accomplish your goals and feel a sense of achievement. It makes you more organized. By planning your tasks and activities, you can manage your time better and avoid the chaos of last-minute decisions. This organization extends to all areas of your life, from work to personal projects. A good routine helps you build good habits. Consistency is key to forming habits that stick. Whether it's exercising, meditating, or reading, doing these activities regularly makes them a natural part of your life. These habits can help you in life. They contribute to your personal growth and well-being, making you more resilient and better equipped to handle challenges. A routine gives you structure. This structure provides a framework within which you can operate efficiently. It reduces the mental load of deciding what to do next, freeing up your mind for more creative and strategic thinking. This helps you focus on your tasks. With a clear plan, you can prioritize your activities and concentrate on what truly matters, leading to better outcomes and a sense of accomplishment. When you're organized, you waste less time. Efficient use of time means you can achieve more in less time, leaving you with more opportunities to relax and enjoy your hobbies. This makes you more productive. Productivity is not just about doing more, it's about doing things that matter. A well-structured routine ensures that your efforts are aligned with your goals. A well-planned routine can also make you healthier. You can include exercise and healthy meals. This improves your well-being. By incorporating physical activity and nutritious food into your daily schedule, you enhance your physical health and mental clarity, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Firstly, wake up early. This simple habit can transform your entire day. The quiet of the early morning is perfect for setting intentions and planning your day ahead. You'll find that the world is a lot calmer and more peaceful at this time. Then drink a glass of water. Hydrating first thing in the morning kickstarts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins. It's a small step that makes a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. After that, do some light exercise. Whether it's a jog in the park or a yoga session, moving your body in the morning boosts your energy levels and improves your mood. It's a great way to wake up your muscles and get your blood flowing. Finally, eat a healthy breakfast. A nutritious meal in the morning provides the fuel your body needs to function properly. It helps you stay focused and productive throughout the day. Choose foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals. Waking up early gives you more time. You can use this extra time to do things you love or to get a head start on your tasks. It's a wonderful opportunity to enjoy the tranquility of the morning. Drinking water wakes up your body. It rehydrates you after a night's sleep and prepares your digestive system for the day ahead. Make it a habit to drink water before anything else. Exercise gives you energy for the day. It releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Regular morning exercise can also improve your overall fitness and health. A good breakfast gives you the fuel you need. It stabilizes your blood sugar levels and keeps you from feeling hungry before lunch. Make sure to include a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Start your work or studies. Focus on your most important tasks. Take breaks to avoid burnout. Eat a healthy lunch to stay energized. Working on your most important tasks first ensures they get done. Regular breaks help you stay focused and avoid tiredness. Firstly, finish any remaining tasks. This could be wrapping up work on your laptop or jotting down thoughts in a journal. Completing these tasks helps clear your mind and sets a positive tone for the evening. After that, take some time to relax and unwind. Spend quality moments with your family, perhaps enjoying a picnic in the park, or if you prefer solitude, engage in a hobby like painting outdoors. These activities help you disconnect from the day's stress. As the evening progresses, prepare yourself for a restful night. You might find peace lying in a hammock under the stars or cozying up in a tent by a campfire. These moments of tranquility are essential for mental and physical rejuvenation. Completing remaining tasks ensures a clear start to the next day. Organizing your space, like tidying up a picnic table, can also contribute to a sense of order and calm. Additionally, practicing mindfulness or meditating by a serene lake can further enhance your relaxation. Spending time with loved ones or enjoying hobbies brings joy and fulfillment. Playing frisbee with friends or sketching in a quiet meadow can be incredibly rewarding and help you feel more connected to the present moment. Finally, a good night's sleep prepares you for the next day. Whether you find comfort in a hammock near the beach or in a sleeping bag under the night sky, ensure you get enough rest. A well-rested body and mind are crucial for facing the challenges of a new day with energy and positivity.